Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's have a look at the US dollar and we'll also look at oil in this video here. So on the short term, what's been happening on the short term? Short term we've been getting, let's bring up the 3-month view. Short term we've been getting just a very nice rise out of this, haven't we? So if we go from this bottom point through here and we extend it up, we can see we're having a very nice sort of triangle pattern through here. We had a bit of a double bottom. Right now what's happening is that we're getting let's see if I can draw if there's, so that's that trend line there. Just trying to see if there's any other trend lines that can come into play right now. So if I bring that up, say from the bottom there, and if I bring that up through there somewhere, is that a, no, nothing there, no. So we have a slow bit of a double bottom. What's happened just recently though on the US dollar, right? We've had this move up through here. Now I'm using the UUP, but it's the US dollar there. So we had a move up through here, and now we're just going sideways through here. So notice that, and notice how we've got this volume coming through as well too. So very bullish sign. We had a bit of a high, a double bottom formation, and now look at this here. Now we had a move up. So we had a strong move up. Notice how we're not selling off strongly. We're just going sideways through here. So if we continue to go sideways for a bit longer, and then we get a very strong candle breaking above 2610. Then I definitely just see, let's go to the weekly chart. A short-term target would be up here. Where is that level there? There, right? So there we go. So the short-term target, if we break past, let's do this here. There we go. So if we break past 2610, then I would say 2680, 2690 on the UUP, US dollar, is likely to start to form from there. And notice what's happening with the moving average as well too, the momentum here. If I bring up say the last 6 months and take everything off the screen, notice how we had a nice upward movement and then we had a nice down move. But notice how the momentum, the overall direction here is starting, the moving average is starting to point up. It's showing that momentum's starting to pick to the upside. So on an overall basis, guys, looking very strong there. On the weekly chart, look how strong that is on the weekly chart, right? Compressing up. So we could be getting ready to go for a very nice bull run in the US dollar. And I know a lot of people out there saying that the US dollar is going to collapse, but the way that I'm seeing it right now is that there's nothing on this chart to say we're likely to get a collapse. Right now, looking at the US dollar, we're just going sideways through here, and if we do hold here and we get a nice good solid close above 610, then I would say this thing's on its way up. This thing's now is probably going to have a nice move back up towards the 680 level, which is just this previous resistance through here. So so that's what we see through there. And then if we have a look at oil, so let's have a look at oil here. We're going to go to the 3-month chart. All right, so I wonder what's going on here. Okay, there we go. So it's the 3-month chart. So the 3-month chart, as you can see, right, the short-term chart, we're definitely getting a very nice strong upward trend. If we just draw some, as we can see, that'll be the line through there. I'm going to use this line here on oil. We use this bottom through here, and what I'm doing right now is I'm using the closes. So as you can see, right, like if I use this here, that'll be the line that I'd want to use on this one here, because it couldn't close below all here, it couldn't close below all three, and now we're rallying back up again through here. So as you can see, we had this up sideways movement, then an up sideways movement, then we're having another up movement. So right now on the short term, we're getting very nice strong movement on oil. The thing that I am getting a bit concerned about is how far away it's getting from the moving average. Because if you go back in time, see how that was the maximum length, that was sort of the length that it went from the moving average. That was, look at that there, right? So the length from the moving average, where it was to the moving average, that's where it was there. From the length to the moving average, that's where it was there. That's mean that it got too far away and then broke down. Right there from there, look at that there. Isn't that interesting? Those three were roughly the same amount, and then where are we right now? Look at that there, right? So we're just breaking above that. So I would say now we're getting away from the moving average just a bit too much. But you know, But yeah, it'd be really interesting to see what's going on here. And especially what's going on right now when we've just been seeing this nice upward movement. So it'd be really interesting to see what's going to happen here, because we do have this level here of major resistance where it is right now. You can see that's this support is now actually causing this to be a lot of resistance through here. So really interesting to see what's going to happen with oil over the next couple of days, or over the next week or so. Let me know what you think in the chat box below. Where do you think oil is going to go, and what do you think is going to happen to the US dollar? Hey traders, I'm running a flash sale. It's a $7 flash sale to my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls trading course. If you go to johnsflashsale.com, you can get access to the $7 massive sale that I'm doing right now for a short time. So go to johnsflashsale.com and I'll see you over there.